Hello there, welcome to Suffolk Apple. Today, I'm exploring the enchanting world of cinnamon, a spice that has captivated our senses for centuries. This beloved spice has a rich history, numerous health benefits, and some fascinating botanical traits that make it truly unique. So, let's embark on this cinnamon journey together and uncover its many secrets. Cinnamon, scientifically known as cinnamomum, is derived from the inner bark of several tree species native to South and Southeast Asia. The process of harvesting cinnamon is both intricate and labor-intensive. Did you know that true cinnamon or Ceylon cinnamon comes from Sri Lanka, while most commercial cinnamon, known as cassia, comes from Indonesia, China, and Vietnam? Each type has its own distinct flavor and uses. Historically, cinnamon has been treasured for thousands of years, dating back to ancient civilizations. Ancient Egyptians used it in their embalming process, and it was highly valued as a gift for monarchs and gods, symbolizing both wealth and divinity. During the Middle Ages, it was a symbol of wealth and played a significant role in the spice trade, often being traded for gold and other precious commodities. Today, cinnamon is a staple in kitchens worldwide, adding warmth and depth to both sweet and savory dishes, from desserts to main courses. But beyond its delightful flavor, cinnamon offers some impressive health benefits that make it a valuable addition to our diets. First, cinnamon is loaded with antioxidants that protect your body from oxidative damage, helping to maintain overall health. Second, it has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce the risk of disease and alleviate chronic inflammation. Third, cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, making it beneficial for blood sugar control and potentially aiding those with diabetes. And fourth, it has antimicrobial properties that can help fight infections and promote oral health, making it a natural remedy for various ailments. Let me share a little story that highlights the magic of cinnamon. I once decided to make a batch of homemade cinnamon rolls, a recipe passed down through generations in my family. The aroma of freshly baked rolls, filled with a sweet cinnamon swirl, filled my home and brought back fond childhood memories of baking with my grandmother. It's amazing how a simple spice can evoke such powerful emotions and transport us back to cherished moments. Now here's an unusual fact. The cinnamon we use comes from the inner bark of the tree, which is stripped, dried and rolled into quills or ground into powder. This meticulous process is what gives cinnamon its distinct texture and flavor, making it a truly special spice. Now I have a challenge for you, dear viewers. Try incorporating cinnamon into a new recipe this week. Experiment with its versatile flavor and see how it can transform your dishes. Whether it's adding a pinch to your morning coffee, baking a batch of cinnamon cookies, or making a savory dish with a hint of cinnamon, get creative and share your results with us in the comments. We can't wait to see what you come up with. Thanks for joining me on this cinnamon journey. I hope you found it as fascinating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our exciting content. Your support means the world to us. What plant should I delve into next? Let me know in the comments below. Your suggestions help shape our future content. See you next time. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the world with us. Bye for now.